Okay, page number 78, right?
8. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And the third last para. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Boy
From
said so.
boy. Yes, boy said, Peggy, write down the date. Come on, children, write down the date. Write down the date, beta. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the above para, it was mentioned he the whole atmosphere it looked like Christmas, and even the shops were decorated. Lot of Christmas trees were there. Got it? And the light it was shining everywhere, and it reflected different colors of the snow. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Boy said, Peggy, this shows she really likes us. It shows she got a letter, and this is her way of saying that everything's all right, and that is that. Now, when they were coming back, okay, when they were returning from school, Peggy, she talks to Maddie and so says that this shows means the gift that has been given by Vanda. It shows that she really likes them, and this is a good response. Why? Because now they are sure that Vanda got the letter, and that was the way, by writing to Miss Mason and by gifting two dresses, each to Maddie and Peggy. And this is the way that she's showing her liking, and she wants to convey that everything between them was peaceful. It was very right. Nothing wrong had happened. And that's that means now the chapter has been closed. Now everything has come to an end. Okay, there is no grudge among them. क्लियर? समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
पैगी
ma'am.
पैगी को क्या बोला कि उसने ड्रेसेस भेजी है, इसका मतलब वो शो कर रही है शी रिसीव्ड अ लेटर. ओके, कहीं उसके मन में कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे लिए. ओके, और ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि वो वास्तव में हमें पसंद करती है. नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज एंडेड अप, नो बिटरनेस इज देयर. I hope so, said Maddie softly. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped, polished girl again and couldn't ever really make things right between them. But Maddie, on the other hand, she said, okay, I hope so that everything is right between us. And at the same time, she was somewhat sad also, beta. Why? Because now she was feeling very much sorry. She was very much pained on remembering that now she wouldn't be able to see that tight-lipped, polished girl, okay, and she wouldn't get any chance to make any amends or to feel sorry to her. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper. In the bedroom, the shabby room came alive from the brilliance of the colors. Maddie sat down on a bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Vanda had been nice to her anyway. Now see what happened. As soon as Maddie she reached her home, okay, she just she displayed her drawing on the part of the wall. That was a torn place, you got it, where the wallpaper it had come off, or the from where the wall plaster it had come off. Okay, Maddie also, she belonged to a poor family, so the हाउस उसका घर भी ऐसे ही था. तो जो टॉर्न प्लेस होती है इन द पिंक फ्लावर्ड वॉलपेपर, हाँ, पिंक फ्लावर्ड वॉलपेपर means the walls they were covered with pink color wallpaper, and on it the flowers were made. तो कहीं से वो पेपर had come off, okay, वो फट चुका था, और वहां पर she just hangs the drawing that was gifted to her by Maddie. The shabby room came alive from the brilliance of the color. And as soon as these means this drawing it was being put or displayed on the wall, okay, uh, the room, though the room was quite shabby, but as soon as the drawing it was displayed on the wall, the room, it became lively. Why? Because the beautiful colors were displayed in the drawing. Mary sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. Now she sat down and continuously she was looking at the drawing. Okay, she had stood by and said nothing, but Venda had been nice to her anyway. And she remembers that she always stood by Peggy. Okay, she always supported her rather by standing with her in teasing, in making fun of Venda. She said nothing. She did not try to stop Peggy. Okay, she did not tell her that she should not tease Venda for her dress, for her poverty. Okay, and she thinks that though she had been bad with her in a way, but still Venda had been nice to her in return. समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay, she returns.
Yes, ma'am.
वॉलपेपर निकल चुका था, वहां वो अपनी जो उसको ड्राइंग गिफ्ट में मिली थी वो लगा देती है, राइट? और जो रूम था वो बड़ा शैबी सा था, बिकॉज इट वाज अ पुअर हाउस ऑफ मैडी, लेकिन वो ड्राइंग लगाते ही बड़ा लाइवली रूम बन जाता है, इतने ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स थे उस ड्राइंग में। और कंटिन्यूस बैठ कर देखती है एंड शी थिंक्स कि शी ऑलवेज स्टूड बाय पैगी, हमेशा पैगी के साथ रहती थी, उसको रोकने की कोशिश नहीं करी कि why she was making fun of Venda, why she laughed at Venda, okay? But you know, उसके बावजूद भी Venda, she had been very good to her, and at the same time she had been good to Peggy also. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress were so vivid, vivid means different, that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. But it looked like her, Maddie. It really looked like her own mouth. Why, it really looked like her own self. Venda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy. Okay. Now, when she was continuously staring at the drawing, you know, the vision, it got blurred. Okay, dhundla ho gaya. Why? Because the tears, it started rolling down from her eyes. Okay, आंखों में से आंसू बहने लगे, वो blur हो गई drawing. Then she rubbed her eyes और उसने notice करा कि वेंडा ने जो ये drawing बनाई है, actually drawn Maddie's face along with the tears. Okay. उसने देखा कि जो कलर्स ड्रेस में थे बड़े विविड थे, डिफरेंट थे, एंड शी हार्डली नोटिस, उस समय वो नोटिस करती है द फेस एंड हेड ऑफ द ड्राइंग। ओके, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली जो फेस और हेड उस ड्राइंग का था, इट एब्सोल्युटली लुक्ड लाइक मैडी, और ये बिल्कुल श्योर हो गया कि वेंडा ने जो ये ड्राइंग बनाई थी, स्पेशली इट वाज मेड फॉर मैडी ओनली। Okay, why? Because the head and the face, they were similar to her own face. इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाती है, इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाती है वो कि she ran to Peggy's house, है ना, बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड होकर वो पैगी के घर पर जाती है। ठीक है, एक्चुअली क्या उसके कलर्स इतने वाइब्रेंट थे, इतने ब्राइट कलर्स थे कि अर्लियर शी डिड नॉट नोटिस, but when she just displayed it on the wall of her room and she was noticing it ना बेटा, तब उसने बड़े ध्यान से देखा। So many times even we see ना, कई बार क्या होता है, walls जो हो जाती हैं वो faded हो जाती हैं, discolored हो जाती हैं, the paint it comes off, तो क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसे निशान बन जाते हैं, उसका minutely note करो तो क्या होता है, आपको किसी एनिमल या किसी इंसान का चेहरा दिखता है वो, isn't it? You notice it, okay, discolored या faded walls पर। लेकिन ये तो ड्राइंग थी, अब इसमें इतने ब्राइट, इतने ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स थे कि she did not see it earlier, okay, and डिस्प्ले करा, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूसली शी वाज लुकिंग, और जब उसने देखा और सोच रही थी वेंडा के बारे में कि हाउ नाइस शी हैड बीन टू मैडी एंड पैगी, कि उन्होंने तो उसका फन बनाया, दे मेड fun of her, still she had been very good to them. तो वो एकदम से notice करती है कि जो head और shoulders हैं उसके, okay, yes, face and head, sorry, face और head जो drawing का है, it resembled her own face, बिल्कुल उसके खुद के face की तरह था। और इसका मतलब श्योर था कि ये स्पेशली ड्राइंग किसके लिए बनाई थी उसने, मैडी के लिए बनाई थी। इतना एक्साइटेड होके शी रैन टुवर्ड्स पैगी, ये देखने के लिए वो पैगी की घर की तरफ भागती है, टू नोटिस कि रियली इफ पैगी हैड रियली नोटिस द सेम थिंग और नॉट। अब देखो, when she reaches Peggy's house, Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered up to her room, where Wenda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. See, जाके उससे पूछती है, okay, कि let me see your picture. What is the matter? Now Peggy says, and they both went up to the room. See now, Peggy, you know, she did not feel so much. She did not have so much of feelings as Maddie had for the drawing. Why? Because the drawing was still lying on her bed. मैडी ने तो आते ही डिस्प्ले कर दी थी वॉल पर, लेकिन अभी भी पैगी की वो ड्राइंग गिफ्टेड वाली, it was still lying on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. She just picked it up. Look, she drew you. That's you, she exclaimed. और इतनी excited हो गई, उसको भी बताती है कि look, she has drawn you in the drawing. Okay, बिल्कुल उसका भी face और head ऐसे बनाया था, that resembled Peggy. And the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. Now, Peggy, you know, she was a girl of attitude. तो कहती है, मैंने क्या बोला था? मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि of course she liked us. Okay, वो हमें पसंद करती थी, and that is why she has made a drawing. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो वो ये बताना चाहती है कि yes, Peggy, she was right about it. Yes, she must have agreed, Maddie. Maddie भी agree कर देती कि surely she must have liked that. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wenda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up. Okay, अब पैगी तो बड़ा क्लेम करती है कि yes, she was right. Okay, मैडी भी मान जाती है, but whenever she remembers Wenda, her eyes were filled with tears. Okay, and she remembers the scene where Wenda, she would look at the girls who were laughing at her when Peggy used to ask her how many dresses she has. Okay, तो उसको पूरा scene याद आ जाता है कि she was looking at the girls who were laughing at her, right? और फिर वो जाते जाते पैगी को बोलकर जाती थी कि श्योर, यस, आई एम श्योर, आई एम हैविंग 100 ड्रेसेस एंड ऑल लाइंड अप इन माय क्लोजेट. तो मैडी वो सीन बार बार याद करती है, एंड her eyes are full of tears as she does not get any chance to feel sorry to Wenda. Okay, and she just repents. Okay, she regrets that why did she keep quiet? Okay, when Peggy insulted her, when Peggy made fun of her. So a lot of repentance is there in her. Clear? She feels very much sorry about their behavior. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा. अब question answers you are going to do. Okay? 100 dresses. First you do all the textual question answers that are given on different pages. Page number 65. Right? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
76.
And 67. है ना? Then page number 70. I'm talking about part 1, Rahul.
Ma'am, complete part 1.
Complete है? सारे बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
ये within the chapters वाले भी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो फिर you complete of part 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, re-exam.
The exam will be of the absentees. Okay. कई बच्चे they fail to attempt the test, online test, है ना, कर नहीं पाए थे ना
Yes,
due
ma'am.
to some of the other reasons. तो अभी तो उनका होगा बेटा पहले, उसके बाद।
Yes.
मैम अटेम्प्ट कर लिया उनको भी देना है?
नहीं नहीं, जिसने अटेम्प्ट कर लिया वो क्यों देंगे बच्चों?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू
वी
मैम।
विल नॉट गिव। ओके, रीशेड्यूल करा गया। जो एब्सेंटीज थे ना, एब्सेंटीज मतलब दोज हु फेल टू अटेम्प्ट द एग्जाम ना, दे आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट। ठीक है, तो उनकी रीशेड्यूलिंग करिए। क्लियर?
यस मैम।
And remember one thing, attendance should be sent till 8 o'clock. Many times I have told you, once the class begins, you cannot send your attendance. In case if you're sending the attendance, beta, it will not be marked as present. What is the use of sending the attendance till 8:30, 8:45, 9:15? What is this nonsense? Once the class begins, you have to send your attendance before it. Clear or not?
ओके मैम।
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so tomorrow which book you are going to begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Which book? See, we have done how many chapters? Great dresses. 6 chapters we have done. Okay. And
हेलो मैम।
yes,
मैम
yes,
व्हेन वी स्टार्ट?
yes, Priya.
मैम ग्रामर वो मैम व्हाट इज आवर
Grammar
ग्रामर?
also, beta, I'm thinking to begin. Okay, maybe we may start with the grammar, but just keep a register when I teach you the grammar. Okay.
Yes,
Maybe
ma'am.
tomorrow we
Separate
can
register.
begin with the grammar. Okay. Grammar,
Can you
I
told
did
me?
not do anything with you, na? Did I do anything?
मैम वो वर्कशीट दे दी मैम।
वर्कशीट
Quarterly
इसमें
exam.
कुछ समझाया, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट,
No, ma'am.
पैसिव,
नो मैम।
टेंसेस तो मैंने ऑलरेडी समझा दिए थे, बट वंस मोर वी कैन हैव अ रिवीजन. ओके, डिटरमिनर्स,
Yes, ma'am.
आर्टिकल्स वगैरह. चलो ठीक है. तो
मैम
यस,
मैम कैन यू टेल मी मैम ग्रामर कोर्स बिकॉज मैम इन आवर मैम सिलेबस पेपर प्रोवाइडेड बाय सैंपल पेपर मैम इज नॉट गिवन।
सी एक्चुअली प्रयाग यू गेट इंटीग्रेटेड ग्रामर. ओके,
ओके मैम।
है ना.